So this is our one pump room where we have installed the vibration monitoring system. Here we have installed the 3 vibration sensors. One is at the pump end. Here we have installed the vibration sensor. This is at pump end. Second vibration at motor TE end. This is the drive end. We call the DE end. Third vibration sensor we have installed at ND end, backside of motor. So 3 vibration sensor we have installed here. These are connected through this RS485 network with blue line. To this cable, communication cable. Here is the gateway. The blinking is our NBSense gateway. This is our gateway. From here, data is transmitting to the cloud. So this is the standard installation of vibration monitoring system.
So here is the login page of vibration monitoring dashboard where we can access anytime anywhere of our vibration monitoring data. So here we are putting one login credential. We can access this from anytime anywhere. So this is a standard dashboard where we can see the total sensors, online sensor, offline sensors, normal sensor, marginal and critical. So this particular dashboard and the monitoring system is designed as per the ISO 10816, that is a rotating machinery vibration standard. So here you can see the sensor name, motor DE, pump bearing, motor NDE. So here we can see the summary like vibration, relative velocity, acceleration, temperature, then limits, temperature, status, condition, last seen, everything. If it is a critical, it's showing the critical. So here is a standard where we can set the limit. For example, the sensor ID we can edit any name. We can write as per our convenience or as per our nomenclature. So the limit, for the limit we can put it manually here, or also we can take it from directly the repository. That repository as per the capacity class as per ISO 10816. Once I select the class 1 up to 15 kilowatt motor, automatically the limits are changing. If I select the class 2, automatically changing. If I select the class 3, more than 75 kilowatt or 100 HP, automatically class is changing. Once we make update, automatically this will consider the update. Now from where we can see the view option. So for example, this motor motor DE, I want to see the motor DE. I will go in the motor DE section and I will click on view. Once we go in the particular motor section or particular sensor section, where we can see the parameter. The last seen, it is a recently seen, status is on, relative velocity axis 1, 2, 3. These are the RMS value, temperature. We are getting vibration in 2 formats. The one format is the relative velocity and another is the relative acceleration, that is mm per second square. And here we can see the summary, mean, max, average and its values, including the vibration, relative velocity and acceleration. Below that there is a graph. So this is the latest graph where we can see the limits. There are the marginal, critical like values are available. It is above the marginal value, we can see it is above the marginal value. We can hide, unhide any parameter and we can see here. We can download this data in any format like PDF and CSV. Here is a day-wise summary in a month. What was the mean, max, average value? Here is a month-wise. These sensors are the recently installed sensor, less than 1 month. In analysis section, where we can select the long period data. For example, I am selecting last 10 days data. So here is the data I can see for last 10 days data. Here it's loaded. If I hide the temperature, I can see the all values. Is all value. Suppose any abnormality we have to zoom in, we can zoom in. We can go to that section and we can zoom in micro level. We can see the timestamp where it was the high value. We can download this data in any format for further analysis. We can create alerts from here. So we have to set the sensors, the parameter, minimum and maximum threshold, in which way we want to alert the deviation, email, SMS, WhatsApp, and automatically this will start to give the alert. From here we can print or we can schedule the report. Automatically this will start to give the report, daily, monthly or weekly report. And support, we have the 24/7 support. From where we can here we can generate the ticket as well. We can make a directly call. So this is about the vibration monitoring dashboard. Thank you.